not try any of the crazy stuff you see here on our channel, Mr. Original Concept Garage, as they are always performing on closed off streets. Woo boy! Woo boy! Won't y'all ride with me, boy? Lukin from McKinney all the way back to Stanford, Kentucky. It's gonna take about a 13-minute ride with me. Come on now, let's go. All this farmland we passing right here, this all belongs to my family, the Reeds. That'll be my Aunt Gladys and her husband and their children. All that farmland right there, I tell you. They own a lot of land down in McKinney, I tell you. That's where my family originally from. That's right, boys and girls. Learn a little bit about Bo's Looking Duke today. We ride. Now, what we're coming up now is called Turnersville. Tell me how many turns you see here in a minute when we get Turnersville. It's right around this corner up here. Now, tell me now. Let me know in the comments below. How many turns are in Turnersville after we get up here? Alright, this is the start of Turnersville right here. That's the end of the road. Now tell me. Y'all count the turns now, are you here? Here soon, what we're going to be doing is, we're going to be doing scooter life. Show me your scooter life. To where we're going to be asking all you other builders and riders to show us what you got. And we're going to showcase them right here on Mr. Original Concept Garage. It's going to be really cool. We got Ruckus UK going to be pitching in. Hey, that was one turn, I believe, right there. One turn. Oh, man. We got any more? Who knows? You have to wait and see. But if you all want to submit that, go on Instagram, find us on our link, hit us on Instagram, send us your pictures, send us some videos so we can, showcase what you got. You know, we want to support our community by doing this. Oh, would you even call it a turn? I don't know if I call it a turn or not. It is Turnersville after all. That little road you can see right there, right across from me, that's called Frog Branch. I'll take y'all down that road sometime. Now y'all stick with me, I'll take you down all the back roads. We'll get to know them all together here at Central Kentucky together. I don't know them all, but I wouldn't mind taking you guys with me. Just leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about this. If y'all are willing to, watch me riding down some of these back roads. I'll take some more dangerous back roads if y'all want me to. We'll ride them all. We don't care. We have fun riding these roads. These ain't so bad right here. This is just not too far from home, but hey, we'll find some good ones to ride up and down. We know some bluffs and we know some pretty dangerous roads to ride on. We'll take you guys with us, so we sure will. We always have a good time though. It's best when you have a buddy with you. I wish Pep Jasper was with me, but he couldn't. He's at work right now, so y'all just got me today. But I'll see y'all in a little bit. Oh boy! Now, this hill I'm about to come out of home. I tell you what, at the bottom used to be a lot sharper curve. I'll never forget when I was a young boy, years ago, I shouldn't be telling these old stories, but you know, this is Bo Looking Duke here. I like talking. I had to hit this road about 95, 100 mile an hour, getting away from, you know, blue lights. I had an all-wheel drive turbo Talon. He couldn't hold me. He couldn't hold old Bo Looking Duke. I tell you what, he couldn't. I hit a field out here and I watched him go by. Woo-hoo-hoo. He went right on by, I tell you. Yeah, I won't show you what field I hit, but this used to be a 90-degree turn down here. That's me Rex. That's why they fixed it. But yeah, old Bo Looking Duke. Yeah, I used to get down. I tell you what, I used to get down, boy. Woo! Yeah, boy. I remember it says me right. I remember I passed the car right through here, but going about 95. Yep. That all-wheel drive, I tell you, about 300 horsepower. I had a 16G turbo on it. That's a mean little car, I tell you what. I had it was a first gen. I had a second gen head on it. Let's see, 16G turbo. Had a blitz blow off valve. Let's see, I had quite a bit. I had a 6-puck racing clutch on it. I had a 3-inch exhaust all the way coming from the downpipe back. Had a dump pipe on it. Man, I tell you, that was one fast car. I sure do miss it. Roadkill alert. Roadkill alert. That's dinner. We fixing to come up on the drive-in. This place right here, we're going to try to get locked down for next September. That's going to be right up here on the right. Y'all be looking on the lookout. Fixing to be coming up. Can you think about it? About right here where I passed that cop at one time. Yep, it sure was. Right through here. That's Bo Looking Duke for you. Bo Looking Duke's a wild man. It's called Party of the Wild Man. He used to put party boy dance all the time. Well, you know when you gotta get the old lady's house and you're running late, she don't like you being late. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I mean? Y'all know what I'm saying? There we are, back at city limits. Gotta slow her down a little bit. That way I don't get pulled over. That'd be bad. We don't get pulled over. Boys in blue, don't look for us, huh? Whew, that's a heck of a bump right there, I tell you, is that bridge right there. Them concrete bridges, they hurt sometimes. I'll see y'all up at the gas station. Hold on now. Who's in that concrete truck there? I'll be dang if that ain't Mikey G. That'd be my little brother. Well, he's my mid-range brother there, you know. I got several brothers, but hey, that'd be Mikey. That's Michael right there. You ain't taking pictures of me. What are you taking pictures of, boy? Let's get back to work. But recognize, boy. Oh snap, who called the boys in blue? Hope they ain't after me. I hope not. Oh, both look at dude. We don't want no trouble with the man in blue. We don't want no man in blue after us. Heck no. We standing citizens here. Nah, we'll get some fuel. We just messing with y'all. Hey, thanks for riding along with us. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Been a good one. This bold looking dude. Later. Woo boy.